how to choose the right crane capacity for your workshop. Welcome. In this session, we'll help you pick the right crane capacity for your workshop so you avoid the mistakes of under or oversizing your crane. Step 1. Determine load weight. Calculate the total weight you'll be lifting, including slings and hooks. An undersized crane can cause breakdowns, while an oversized crane wastes money. Step 2. Assess frequency of use. How often will the crane be in use? A crane for frequent, heavy lifting needs to be more powerful. For light, occasional use, a smaller crane is enough. Step 3. Plan for future needs. Think ahead. Will your lifting needs grow? Choose a crane that fits both today's needs and future demands without paying for unnecessary capacity. Step 4. Evaluate your working environment. Where will the crane be used? Outdoor or extreme conditions need special features. Choosing the wrong crane for the environment will reduce performance. Conclusion: avoiding under or oversizing. By following these steps, you can avoid making costly mistakes. Choose the right crane that matches your current and future needs for better efficiency, safety, and savings.